Let me quickly show you how to fix the PayPal account locked issue. Now, in most cases, why this happens is your account may be limited. So if you open up the app of PayPal and you see this red notification on the homepage of the application, then that likely means your account has been limited. So in order to solve this issue, it usually involves uploading your identity or maybe even your proof of address. So once you tap on this notification that has been shown to you, it will take you to the resolution center where you'll need to add in your document in order to verify your identity. Now, if this is not the issue with you, this may also be an issue of automatic lock, which usually lifts in 1 hour. But if it has been more than 1 hour, then what you can also try out is try to reset your password. So from the login section of your PayPal account, you'll have an option of resetting your password. Make sure you create a new password and the password reset link will normally be sent to your email address. So once you follow these steps, you should be able to fix the PayPal account locked issue. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.